Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I have not so much a new DIY for you, but in one of my last videos we made this moss covered wreath, and I was really happy with how the wreath part turned out, not so happy with this floral arrangement here. So I've given it some thought and I've got some new flowers, so I'm going to show you how to make some flowers so this can be changeable. You can just take it off and put new flowers on it. So stay tuned and see what we do. Okay, for this DIY, we're going to take one of the foam blocks. These come 3 in a pack at the Dollar Tree. Some floral tape. I got this at Walmart. I think it's 97 cents. 2 chenille stems, and then your assorted flowers. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare our foam block. Now this is going to be the basis or the apparatus or the doohickey. I like the word doohickey better, but anyway, this is going to be what we're going to put our flowers in, and it's going to be on these chenille stems so we can twist it on our wreath, take it off, change it, and put it back. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a chopstick or a pencil or anything, a piece of wire, a stiff piece of wire, and we're just going to push it through right in the center. We're just going to push it through. Don't get too close to the edge because you don't want it to pull through your styrofoam. Then we're going to put our chenille stem through there. And then we're going to do one on the opposite side, just like that. So we're just going to put our wire through. Okay, so now that we have that done, then we're going to reinforce this block a little bit because it will crack apart the more flowers you put in it. We're going to use this floral tape. And we're just going to, okay, going to hold it on the edge here and we're going to wrap it around. And you know, floral tape, you just give it a little pull and it releases whatever that stuff is in it that's sticky, and it'll stick to itself. So we're going to go around about twice, and then we're just going to go over diagonal to the other corner, and we're going to go around it twice. Okay, and then we're going to go to the center and just put a piece around there. And you want to pull your floral tape till it's kind of digging in just a little bit into the styrofoam. So that we have that. So now we're just going to pull it to the back, and we're going to go in the middle on the back. See right there? And we're just going to go around a couple of times. And then we'll do it on both ends also. So, I mean, it's, you know, you can do it any way you want to. I just want to kind of reinforce this so it doesn't crumble apart and gives it some good stability. So that's it. We have our block done. And this just tears off, and as I said, it'll stick to itself. So then we have our block. It's done. So now we're going to go ahead and work on our flowers. I have a variety of the spring bouquet from Dollar Tree, dogwood, what is this? Wildflowers, hot bush, I don't know, some lavender. And then I have some of the greenery. This is the fern, Queen Anne's lace. And not that I'm going to use all this, I just have all this. And this is a greenery bouquet, and then some wild daisies. So, first thing we're going to do, let's get a drink of coffee. Okay, so take our wreath. And then you have to decide if you want to have your florals in the corner or in the middle or on the bottom. I kind of like the thing on the corner. So since I'm going to put mine in the corner, I would do the block like this so I can twist tie on this side down here and then twist tie up here on the top. And if your ties aren't quite long enough, you can just hook another one to the end, just twist it on there. So, but we'll get to that in a minute. Since I'm going to put mine in the corner, I'm not going to twist it on here. I'm not going to put any flowers in. I'm just going to put it and start with my fern leaves because I love these. So, and you could go ahead and cut these apart if you wanted to. They pull off so easy. And then you have, this is really cute. I like that. Save that for something else. We'll put it to the side. I'm just going to kind of eyeball how long I want my longest piece to go. I want it to go almost all the way across the top. So that fern leaf is just long enough. So, and you can kind of lay them out to start with and see what you want. Get the positions kind of right. And then it's just basically clipping it and putting it on and moving it and, you know, just getting it what looks good to you. So basically that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the camera angle so you can see what I'm doing. And I probably will speed it up so you won't have to hear me talk so much. But anyway, let me get my camera changed and we'll get started. We've got our floral display ready, and we're just going to put it on the corner of our wreath, and then we're going to flip it over and twist the twist ties. They're a little bit too short, so I just cut another twist tie in two and added a little piece on there to make it a little longer. So we're just going to twist that on, and then we're going to do the same thing for the other twist tie. Okay, so I'm going to hang it up and we're going to take a look. Here's the finished product. I like this much better than the original version. So if you want, and it just shows you how easy it is to change it up. You just take that block off, put flowers in another block, and just twist tie it on. Everybody, that's my DIY for today. We're not really a DIY, but a do-over actually. But I hope you enjoyed it. And it just shows you how easy it is to just take this off and put something for different holidays. You could change this out, make it Easter with the little Easter eggs, whatever kind of floral arrangements you wanted to do. But I really love how this moss wreath looks. Remember, Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and craft something. Bye, y'all.